Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not your financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is having a little bit of a down day. So we are down 82 cents, that's 3.24%. We closed at 24.52, and post-market we are up 12 cents at 24.64. So remember what happened. There was this M pattern, and the rule with the M pattern is that when we cross this, the stock is going down. So we crossed this yesterday and stock went down. So we broke 25. So that was something that we thought would happen. Then we have this support right here, which is a channel support. So we are hoping that this is going to hold. If not, we also have 23.74 that could be there as a savior. If not, then I don't even want to consider it for now. So this is what we have. So big red candle, and the top of the candle is close to this resistance that we had right here. Let me just put it in the right color right here. And the low of the candle is right smack on the support, on the channel support. I cannot make this up. This is perfection. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day. So we opened a little bit higher than yesterday, and we had this resistance there, and then first hour was down, second hour down, third hour down. Then we basically touched this channel support that helped us rebound for 2 hours. Then the hour after that was very iffy, and now we even broke it down temporarily during the day before closing above the support. So if you want to buy Palantir, so this could be a low here. It could still go lower, but it could be a low. This is a chance you can risk it. You can risk it, or you can just wait until we see some other indications that the stock is rebounding on this support. Because right now the only indication that we are having is this little wick here at the bottom of the candle, of the last candle of the hour on the hourly chart. So we see some buying pressure here that pushed the stock back up over the support. So it's not the greatest of indication. Sometimes if you want to be more cautious, we need to see some green candle that would be as big as this red candle here. You can do it that way. You can wait until we cross this 25 line here. So this would be an indication that there's some kind of a bull trend up that is starting to form. You can wait for the MACD that is going to cross over. You can wait for stochastic to cross back over 20. So there's a strategy that tells people that you can buy once stochastic goes from under 20 to over 20, this is a buy, and then sell when the stochastic reaches 80. I don't like the sell part because sometimes the stochastic stays over 80 for some time and the stock just goes ballistic. I don't like the sell part of that strategy, but these are strategies that are out there. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic is at 2. Cannot get much lower than that. RSI, nothing to say there. MACD crossed bullish, but the two lines are still above 0, so we still have one green thumb up, and the MI has crossed over bullish also. So let's just wait to see where Palantir is going to rebound. Hopefully on this channel, so that it validates the whole channel. If Palantir rebounds on 23.74, then it's going to mean that maybe that this bullish channel is no longer in effect. The speed at which the stock was moving higher is going to change. So we will have to adapt and find a different pattern for the stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of the channel. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want a discount. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you prochaine.